Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Yola's Energies. I want to tell you that before I became a master empowerment life coach, I'm a dental hygienist. And I have a few tips that I learned through the years to share with you, tips that not many people share with you. And I only acknowledge these tips because I start to see a holistic doctor. And the way he look at things, it made sense. And I start to look at things the same way in dental hygiene. You know, a lot of people don't get their teeth clean thinking, I I brush my teeth, I floss, blah, blah, blah. I am okay. I am in good health. Well, you know, it is not true because no matter what you do, you will always have build calculus. You have to, no matter how much you brush, how much you floss, you build calculus. That calculus, the body react to it and you start to lose bone. Even you don't have cavities and you're not hurting, your body react to it. And the reaction is losing bone around the teeth. And a lot of people don't think much of that. And not only that, that bacteria get in the bloodstream and it go, you don't know what it is attacking. So I'm not gonna go into so much details. I am just going to give you a few tips on how to brush because many people don't think much about it. And it took a lot of experience on my part to really start to think of things this way. You can floss all day long. If you don't brush the right way, your gum is still going to be affected and you're still gonna bleed and you're still gonna have pockets. So I'm gonna start when you brush, people open so wide, so right. Uh, uh, you can't go no further, right? Because you open it so wide, your jaw lock in there on those last two teeth. So if you wonder why do you have cavities on those last two teeth, don't think much about it. It is because you're not getting back there good enough. And so when you brush, try to relax, take a deep breath. This is what I tell my patients. This is 2 minutes meditation time, teeth meditation. So in that 2 minutes time, you're going to spend time brushing right. If you use a regular brush, always place it on the gum, down, 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 7 times every two teeth. And you go, you start from the top all the way here, every two teeth 7 times. Why? Because you want the gum to get massaged. You want the blood to circulate and you want to count. Why? Because you want to put your energy where you're working. It is important. You giving tender, loving care to yourself and to your gum and to your teeth is very important. It is all energy and it is where you put your energy at. For some of you who keep going to the dentist and they keep telling you, you need to floss, 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 and you need to brush and you need to do this, or need to do that, or use water pick, or buy an electric brush. Yes, electric brush is better because it is faster. But the important part is how you do things. So giving love to your tissue is very important. Okay. If you use an electric brush, it's so easy. You get the two teeth, you hold it in between the two teeth on and half on the gum, and you hold for 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and then you move to the next two teeth, 5 seconds, and then you move, you count. That's your teeth meditation. You count so you stay focused, and you will find that It is a wonderful time. Those 2 minutes that you spend, your mind is not all over the place. You're not thinking about what you're doing. You're focusing and giving love to where you want your teeth to your gum and your teeth and your oral health to be. Love is the most important thing in anything you do. So if you brush the right way, you floss, and you don't open so wide, because if you notice you open so wide, you can't go back here. Those teeth back here, okay? Those teeth back here, the jaw get in the way when you open too wide. Try it, experience it at home. 2 minutes out of your time, you're using it anyway. Use it the right way, okay? Floss, it is important to floss. If you don't like to floss, you have soft picks, you have brush picks, you have so many things that you can get in between the teeth. If you can get in between the teeth once a day, bacteria multiply. It doesn't attack your teeth or your gum unless it is a certain amount. If you can break that bacteria every day by flossing, using brush picks, soft picks, anything you can get, go for it every day. Put them in your car while you're driving, you know, it is very important. So, those are little tips for your dental health. It is your dental meditation with TLC. So, I hope you guys got this. I hope if you have any questions, please put questions underneath. Ask me. If you're taking medication, you know, a lot of time taking medication get your pH to be acidic. So there are different things you can use to really um, uh, balance your pH in your mouth. And some of it is baking soda, just simple baking soda. You know, put some baking soda in water and swish it around your mouth. You know, it kind of help. You know, and there are other products your dentist will talk to you about, but simple little things to keep your pH neutralized is baking soda. So good luck to you guys. If you have any question, contact me. Okay, contact me. I will be more than happy to answer if I know. If it is in the dental hygiene department, you take care.